How to click two different photos on BeReal app. The first thing you have to do is open up your BeReal application. So if you want to take two different pictures at the same time, first of all, you just need to make sure that you are logged in. So from here, you're going to have to allow your camera access and everything else on your BeReal once you are logged in. So from here, what you want to do is tap on the Take Your BeReal application. This application mainly focuses on reducing your social media users. So it will only give you 2 minutes to take your picture. So simply go ahead and tap on Take Your BeReal option. And now here you're going to have to allow your camera access. So just tap on it. So it will take a picture from your back camera first, like so. And now once you've done that, it will take a picture from your front camera as well. So as you can see here, the picture from my back camera is blacked out and I have covered my front camera. So it's shown something like this, the blurry image. So what you can do now is tap on whom you want to send this to. If you want to send this to your friends only, tap on send and you should be good to go. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful and I'll see you on the next one.